You can't stand there. Those are people's graves. Get down. Yes.
Come on my channel.
Where are you? You see Marine House?
Yes,
And you see the mountains?
yes. It's very high there.
It's very high.
Yes,
Where are you going?
I'm gonna stand right here.
You can't stand there.
Why?
Those are people's graves. Get down.
She in there?
Yes.
Gosh,
It's pretty.
It's Yatsit grave.
Yes. You see it's pretty up here?
Yes,
You like up here?
yes.
You like your new school?
I see the tree.
You see your tree?
Yes.
Which tree is that? The guinea tree?
It's my papa.
It's your guava tree? You see your guava tree?
It's my home one. You see why it's so up there?
What?
Why it's so up there?
Come.
Hmm?
Come on.
Gosh, well, it's yet name right here.
You saw a name?
Yes.
Don't go over there.
Why?
It's a cemetery. Get out. There are ghosts in there. It's spooky.
It's okay up there.
Yes, you like your new school?
No,
You don't like it?
it's silky.
It's not that one. That's not the school.
Look,
That's a cemetery. That's a church.
that's another. See,
That's a church. That's Grandpa Church.
let me write X.
Uh-oh. Give me the book. You marking an X?
See,
That's so what? You driving away ghosts?
this is from a church.
That's from the church?
Yes, it's a big zombie.
That's to get rid of the zombies?
Yes,
So you feel better now?
not quite.
Not quite? Okay, come on. That's an eye.
No, that's a sign because zombies in there.
That's the sign saying zombies are in there?
Yes.
I never said zombies are in there.
What?
I said there are people in there. Dead people. Come on. Them dead. Like the one by the house. Come on. Come on. Set your shirt good. Fix your shirt. Come on, let's go.
There's another name.
You saw another name?
Yes.
Why are you walking like that? Go with your pocket out. Why you have your pocket out? Look where you're going. Watch where you're walking.
Where another name come from?
That's the person's name. You see, Miss Rosalind? You see that one in there in the middle?
Yes.
It's your great, great, great aunt.
Zombie apocalypse.
It's gonna be a zombie apocalypse.